Topic: the transformative power of artificial intelligence. My name is David, and today, we'll be exploring something that's shaping the world as we all know it, the transformative power of artificial intelligence, or AI. We've all heard about it, from ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Midjourney, Sonar AI. The list is endless, but what exactly is AI? And why does it feel like it's everywhere all of a sudden? Today, we'll break it down in simple, relatable ways, and by the end of this session, you'll see why artificial intelligence isn't just about technology. It's about transformation of life, work, and creativity itself. Let's dive right in. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start by asking, what does transformation really mean? Then go ahead to define artificial intelligence in simple, human terms. We'll go through a short history of artificial intelligence, the 3 eras that led us here. Explore the current inflection point, that is generative artificial intelligence. Understand how artificial intelligence works, the fuel and the engine. See artificial intelligence in creativity, from art to coding. And finally, talk about the future, which involves a partnership between humans and artificial intelligence. Sound good? Alright, let's begin with transformation. What is transformation? Transformation means a complete or significant change, not just a small improvement. Another way to explain it in its simplest form is a deep change that makes something fundamentally different and better. It's not just improvement, it's evolution. Let's think about how phones evolved. Quite a number of us can remember those heavy landlines usually found in our grandparents' houses. We moved from that to flip phones, and now to smartphones that can do everything, from banking to creating videos, creating tools, software applications, and a lot of other unimaginable things. I remember earlier in the year, I had to build a hostel management system and a smart leave management system for a friend on a very tight deadline for a school project. All of this was done in less than 5 hours with dedicated focus with just AI. Another good example is how significantly communication has changed. We moved from the era of sending letters via the post office to phone calls, to video calls, and now chatbots that can hold conversations 24/7. So, transformation happens when new ideas or technologies change how we live, work, and interact. Artificial intelligence is one of the greatest examples of transformation today. It's not just making tools smarter, it's reshaping industries, creating new possibilities, and even redefining what work means. That's transformation, driven by human need and innovation. Transformation is when technology doesn't just support our lives, it changes the way we live them. And that's exactly what artificial intelligence is doing. So, what is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, artificial intelligence is when machines can think and learn like humans. They learn from patterns, experience, and data. Just like we learn by observing and practicing. Artificial intelligence learns from examples, not just a few examples but billions of them, using large language models and advanced neural networks. This was when scientists first dreamed that machines could think. Back then, scientists created logic-based systems, machines that could play chess or solve simple puzzles.